Hi, I'm Key, and this is everything you need to know about the dog paw cleaner in 3 minutes. Now the reason why I wanted to get one of these things in the first place is really simple. You see, sometimes it rains, and when it rains, it gets dirty. And by it, I mean my dog. My dog gets really dirty really quickly. And if I don't do something, then all of that dirt ends up on my floor. Now it would be really easy for me if my dog would just clean herself, but I don't think my dog's the sharpest tool in the shed when it comes to cleaning. So if I wanted to solve this issue, I had to look up the dog paw cleaner cup. When you go on Amazon, there's a wide selection to choose from, and they're all priced somewhere between 10 and 30 bucks. They all compose of the same elements. They have cup and they have a silicone mat with some bristles. All you have to do to use it is just to fill the cup with some high quality H2O and you're ready to go. Now for our test, we simply went outside, had a nice walk and got dirty the old fashioned way. On Amazon, however, I saw them test this device by putting their dog's paw in a bowl to simulate it getting dirty. But we don't do that here, we do it the old fashioned way. And after testing it, I can safely say that yes, it works. I mean, just look at the packed paws, for example. You can easily see where it cleaned and where there's still mud. And all of that mud that it cleaned off ended up in the cup. But what about the rest of my dog? You see, even though it cleaned the paws, I still had a lot more dog to clean. Everything from the elbows to the belly was still muddy. Even my hands got dirty because I had to hold my dog while using the paw cleaner. So I still ended up having to rinse my dog in the shower, and I still had to towel dry my dog the old-fashioned way, which kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it? I guess the logical solution here would be to just use a raincoat. That way I can keep most of the dirt off of my dog, and then use the paw cleaner to just clean the paws. But on its own, I guess the paw cleaner is most useful when your dog steps in pee or poo. So I guess the Amazon review was kind of right. If your dog just steps into something, it's very good for cleaning the bottom of your dog's paws. But even then, I'm pretty sure you can find a cheaper option to clean your dog's paws with. But for us, whose main problem is mud, I guess we're gonna give this a kinda pointless. Let me know if you agree, give us a like and subscribe if you feel like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.